Hello, welcome to Wakakosha Language Consultancy, where we bridge the language gap. Today we want to talk about the places of convenience that we need each and every day. Imagine you go to school or you go somewhere, then you want to help yourself, but there are no restrooms. Or you go where they speak ndebele, then you want to ask, where are the shops? But you don't know how to say shops in ndebele. So today we just want to talk about the places of convenience in ndebele. The hospital, isibhedlela. Toilet or restrooms, isambuzi. The shop, isitolo. The market, emkambo. The rank or the taxi rank, erenkini. This is a borrowed word, but we just want to teach you how to say it in those borrowed words. Erenkini. The church, ecaweni.